How to stabilize video in VN Video Editor. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can stabilize a video in VN Video Editor. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. First up, open up your VN video editor, and after you open it up, start with a new project. So choose a video-based project and choose a video. Then press on the arrow and then you should see the video right here. So you can see it's pretty wobbly, and actually there isn't a specific feature here which will allow you to stabilize the video. But what you can do is press on the video on the timeline and choose this speed option. What you can do is choose the curve where you can do it custom and decrease this time or simply make it slower. And if you make it slower, it will basically be stabilized. So they can see it's quite a bit more stable than it was before. You can play around with the curves. They can see. Let's just do a bit more here and play it. It's a bit more less wobbly than before, and that's how you stabilize a video in VN Video Editor. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.